marketeers use all kinds of tricks to sell their products at a higher price. Oh, you fell for it, huh? The magic of real coffee. The smell alone makes you want to conquer new heights. And the flavor! It's unbelievable! But don't lose your mind just yet. You have a busy day ahead of you. Go for a morning jog. Enjoy your energy. What happens in reality? Waking up from one sip of coffee? Well, that sounds promising, except the life hack's not working. Oh, I'm so sleepy. Where's my energy? Should I have a bigger dose? Oh, I feel something. And that something is high blood pressure. Don't mess with caffeine. When you're in the middle of a party and you are all danced out, it's time to chill out and recharge with a Pepsi. One click and you are the star of the party. Cheers! With Pepsi, the party can go on forever. The idea of becoming a party star is super tempting. Want to try it? Ouch! My nails! By the way, where's that attention I was supposed to get? Careful, please! So, you think a star of the party is a girl with a stain on her t-shirt? Very funny, ads, online games, long conversations with a friend, and with another friend, and with another one. Ooh, that can go on for hours. It's great to have friends. Oh, I almost forgot. We need to take selfies. My phone's still fine, all thanks to the extra battery power. Nice, isn't it? Too bad things aren't going so great in real life. Leaving the outlet for a minute? No way! The battery dies at the worst possible moment. Here we go again. Skittles are a whole rainbow of flavors. The secret is simple. You eat a few Skittles and you turn into a rainbow. Is that contagious? Come on, it's just Skittles pox. It's really good. 1, 2. The pack runs out so fast. Well, here's the effect. But why are the stains red and itchy? They look like a food allergy. If you don't like washing dishes, then you just haven't tried our new detergent. Just one drop and a whole mountain of dishes is totally clean. That's impressive. Sounds pretty tempting. And where's the foam you promised?
Hey!
Why was one drop enough for only one plate? How come the bottle's out? Already? I just bought it yesterday. Strong and slim. You think that's a myth? With this new protein bar, it's real. It's delicious and nourishing. It'll fill your body with energy. Yes, it's pure energy, not any extra calories. I could use some energy. I like sweet food too. And healthy sweet food is a perfect idea. I wonder if I've lost weight already. What does the scale say? What? How many extra pounds? That time of the month won't bother you at all thanks to our new hygienic products. Feel good and comfortable with our innovative technology. Forget about pain and discomfort. You can go to the gym anytime. And the advertiser's favorite thing is white pants. That's nothing like reality. What gym? Hot tea and painkillers at the most. Oh, I feel so bad. The advertisers have clearly never had a period. Beautiful hair all day long is any girl's dream. This new hairspray will make your dreams come true. Your hair will look luxurious no matter what. Whether you are at work or at a party, it's super strong. By nighttime, your hair is still perfect. Wow, Well, let's try this awesome product of yours. Well, watch out, guys. This hottie is going for a walk. And here she is after the first contact with the weather. In all weather conditions, you said? A gentle breeze ruined my hair. What's the best part of a croissant? That's right, the filling. Our new product has more filling than ever. Careful, or the filling will run away. Oh, I'm so excited! Hey, where's the chocolate? This is a pathetic parody of filling. I had such high expectations. Oh well. With our dental clinic, your treatment will turn into a celebration. It's quick, quality, painless, and, the most important thing, not scary at all. We look forward to it. I think that's too many smiles for one ad. No fear and pain? That sounds good. But going to the dentist is a nightmare again. And where's that cute doctor from the commercial? Okay, all done. No teeth, no problem. A lot of perfume ads have gorgeous women in them. Look at her! She captures hearts, just like this new fragrance. It's exquisite, exciting, and gentle. It's fascinating and dazzling. You can't say no to this. That sounds good. Ouch! My eyes! In reality, this kind of perfume is best for weirdos. It works better than a stay back sign. Ew! What's that gross smell? Oh, don't tell me it's my new perfume! What should I snack on today? Chips are the brightest flavor explosion possible! They are crispy and salty. Everyone should try this. Okay, I guess I won't go against the system, especially when it comes to chips. Where are the chips exactly? There's nothing but scraps in here. This chip dust doesn't look like the gorgeous chips from the commercial. The disappointment of the century. Turns out bagged milk is really hard to use. No matter how you open it, it'll spill anyway. But that stops today. It's time for modern technology. A dairy cup. You put the package inside and use it like a milk jug. Not one drop on the table. This really is a common situation. I have a milk accident every day. Except in reality, you still spill the milk. And if the result is the same, why pay more? Want to refresh your breath? Mint Tic Tacs are always ready to help. Just a couple of mints and your mouth is nice and fresh. And don't worry, with this handy dispenser, you'll get the perfect amount of mints. Seems like a good time to freshen up. Want to share? Okay, but just a couple. Oh no! Catch them! And where's the minty effect? Convenient dispenser, they said. Summer is already here. It's hot and humid. It's great that with our new deodorant, you can forget about moisture problems all day long. No stains, just comfort. Oh yeah, they finally came up with the perfect deodorant. Well, you're up. Hey, where's the dryness they promised? My shirt's soaking wet. Oof, that smell. And white marks on my clothes? Why do I even need this? Family breakfasts are a wonderful tradition, especially when you have toast with Nutella. It smells amazing. Our mom is the best. How long is this going to take? We are starving here. Is that it? Bread with some brown mush? Are you kidding me? Mom, eat it yourself. Well, I will. And just so you know, it's pretty delicious. In theory, it has to be. Good Good toothpaste leaves your teeth healthy and fresh all day. It's even better when the toothpaste comes in a handy tube. Just one easy push and the right amount is right on the brush. And the girl in the commercial is like the tooth fairy. Her Snow White smile is impressive. But in reality, nothing is going according to plan. Hey, toothpaste, are you awake? I woke up already, but you are still asleep? Come on, squeeze out. What a letdown. You wanted some toothpaste, but you got a hand pump. What should I brush my teeth with now? Did you like our ads? Have you ever seen an ad that didn't match your expectations? Tell us about it in the comments. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button to keep up with the new videos on Troom Select.